The kidneys have an important job. They filter the blood and maintain the healthy balance of water in the body. So you may be wondering what are the best drinks to keep them running smoothly. In addition to water, there are certain drinks that may help keep kidneys healthy. So let's explore 7 drinks that can help cleanse and support your kidneys naturally. Number 1 is water. The adult human body is composed of almost 60% water. Every single organ from the brain to the liver requires water to function. As the filtration system of the body, the kidneys require water to secrete urine. Urine is the primary waste product that allows the body to get rid of unwanted or unnecessary substances. Water also helps to keep your blood vessels open so that blood can reach your organs including your kidneys. When water intake is low, urine volume is low. A low urine volume output may lead to kidney dysfunction such as the creation of kidney stones. It's crucial to drink enough water so that the kidneys can probably flush out any excess waste material. This is especially important during a kidney cleanse. How much water should you drink to keep your kidneys healthy? It depends on your age, activity level, climate and health conditions. But in general rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Next is green tea. Green tea is a type of tea made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant which are steamed and dried before brewing. Unlike black tea, green tea does not undergo oxidation, which preserves its natural color and flavor. So how can it benefit the kidneys? Well, your kidneys can be exposed to harm from free radicals and inflammation like any other organ in the body. Free radicals are an unstable molecule that damage your cells and lead to chronic diseases. The damage caused by these free radicals to your kidney cells can lead to chronic kidney disease and its progression, which is a condition where kidneys lose their function over time, and this is where green tea comes in. Green tea can help support kidney health by neutralizing these free radicals and lowering inflammation in your kidneys. This is because it contains a powerful antioxidant called epicalocathin 3 gallate (EGCG). Many studies reveal that the presence of EGCG in green tea is helpful in preventing chronic kidney disease, and it's probably even effective in treating it. Green tea is also an astringent and diuretic, which means it can increase urine production and help flush out toxins from your body. That is not all. Green tea may also lower your risk of developing kidney stone by preventing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals in your urine. The key to making a perfect cup of green tea is to drink it unsweetened, as adding sugar or honey can negate its benefit. Try adding cinnamon stick or a splash of lemon juice instead. The recommended amount of green tea for adults is 3 to 5 cups per day. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice contains antioxidant, these ingredients that help decrease inflammation in the body. Cranberry juice may also help decrease the chances of developing urinary tract infection. Researchers believe this is because it prevents bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract. Many times UTI will not affect the kidneys, but sometimes the infection can travel up the urinary tract and into the kidneys. This condition is called pyelonephritis. Scientists think cranberry juice can help prevent pyelonephritis by interacting with bacteria sticking to the kidneys wall too. Cranberry juice that unsweetened or low in sugar are the best options. Too much sugar can increase blood sugar and blood pressure, both of which can be harmful to your kidneys. Black coffee. If you love coffee, you will be happy to know that it is very good for your kidneys too. According to some studies, drinking black coffee regularly can reduce the risk of kidney stone and acute kidney injury. So how does that work? Let's find out. One study published in the American Journal of Kidney Disease used genetic data of 100 or 1000 people and found that increasing coffee intake from 1 cup a day to 1.5 cup per day reduced the risk of kidney stone by 40%. That impressive, right? Well, This is not all. Another study by Johns Hopkins medicine researcher revealed that consuming at least 1 cup of coffee a day may reduce the risk of acute kidney injury by 15%. When compared to those who don't drink coffee, the researchers suggested that coffee and caffeine may improve blood flow and oxygen use within the kidneys, which could protect them from injury and disease and keep them filtering at a higher level for a longer period of time. This is because coffee contains antioxidant and caffeine, which have anti-inflammatory and diuretic effect. However, not all the coffee drinks are healthy, and if you have kidney disease, you may need to limit what you have add to your coffee. Drinking black coffee instead of coffee with high potassium and high phosphorus milk or high calorie sugary drinks will be your best bet. And like with everything, you should enjoy your black coffee in moderation and pay attention to how your body reacts to. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is also high in citrate, which can help prevent the development of calcium oxalate kidney stones. One study showed that drinking 2 ounces of lemon juice twice a day prevented kidney stones from coming back in people who previously had them. Red grapes. The health benefits of red grapes extend beyond their antioxidant properties. These berries are loaded with vitamin C as well as flavonoid, which fight inflammation. Red grape also contain resveratrol, which has many health benefits, including protection against diabetes and heart disease, as well as preventing cognitive decline. While red grapes are best eaten as a whole fruit, they can also be eaten in juice or added to salad. These berries have anti-inflammatory properties which may prevent cancer and slow down the progression of other diseases. Some grapes contain soluble fiber which can interfere with digestion. Undigested grape seeds can cause serious abdominal pain. Grapes may also contribute to weight gain. Since they are filled with fiber, they don't have many calories. However, they do contain natural sugar which can spike blood glucose levels. Delicious smoothies for people with chronic kidney disease. The perfect breakfast or snack, but a lot of them contain too much potassium and phosphorus for folk with kidney issues need to avoid. To stay healthy, you need to know which ingredient to look for and which to avoid. How healthy are smoothies anyways? Fresh vegetables and fruits include dietary fiber, and you can get a significant part of daily nutritional quota packed into one smoothie. But like anything, too many sweet fruits or added sweeteners can up the carbs, and breakfast can quickly turn into dessert. Balanced ingredients and reasonable options will keep things in check. Food-based kidney cleanses differ in what you eat and for how long. In general, however, these cleanses direct you to eat a restricted diet of only certain food for a few days. These diets may consist of juices, smoothies, or a list of specific foods. Again, consult your healthcare provider or a dietitian to make sure it is safe for you to follow a cleanse plan. Thank you so much for watching.